Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Xbox on your phone to make a YouTube video with Facecam. So basically you get your phone ready for Facecam, or if you don't want Facecam, just aim up in the air or something. Then you press the start recording button on your Xbox as well as your phone. And you want to get iMovie, YouTube, and obviously your editing site. After that you go into Xbox app and press captures. And when you go on captures, there should be share icon, which you can save. When there's a save button, then when you press save, it will save to your pictures. And that's it, yeah. So after that, you go into your iMovie. Then you press continue and go into movie and press your Xbox clip. So when you've done that, it should say done, and yeah. So you've got the video there. When you press the plus button, press video. Let's press video there, and go on recently added, and go into your Facecam or other, which is like camera up in the air or something. And you press the 3 lines. When you press 3 lines, you can do audio only or picture to picture, which means you put your video in the video really. So audio only or picture to picture. So when you press picture to picture, obviously it'll come in the box. So as you can see, it can be moved or resized, and yeah. So when you go into your editing site, as you can see, I'm going in InShot, and yeah, there's a little bar here showing you all stuff, and you can obviously play back a video and all that. And yeah, so when you've done it all, you press the save, and it's ready to upload on YouTube. And this is it. If you want any other how to videos, leave a comment. Bye bye.